Who's that?
Aunt Judy. This my Aunt Judy.
What's she doing?
He's doing snow.
Mm-hmm. Who's that?
Emil and Aunt Judy.
Is that Lucy?
Who's Emil?
Mm-hmm. And who's in the middle?
A baby.
A baby? What baby is that?
Baby. A baby.
Is it you?
No.
No? It's not you and you're a baby?
I'm a baby, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Is that baby Finn?
Papa and Mama.
And Auntie Lisa and Uncle Olivier.